These three adjectives end in able. Can you guess them? You have 3 seconds. Number one, worthy of being chosen or a good match for expectations. Suitable. I have a closet full of clothes, and I still don't think I have anything suitable to wear to the party. Number two, able to handle, manage, or deal with something with ease. Manageable. Having about 4 classes a day is manageable, but more than that becomes too much. And number three, this one ends in able instead of able, and it means able to be divided or separated. Divisible. 10 is divisible by 2 and 5 if you want a whole number. Take these 3 words and make sentences with them in the comments. My name is Nandini and this is Language is Fun. Please subscribe for more such videos and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.